Hey guys, it's been a minute since I've done a video. Uh, so far since then I have been watching decluttering videos. So I've been cleaning certain rooms and certain areas in my house. One room being my sewing area, getting rid of stuff that I got excited when I first got it, and then I'm like, I'm never going to use that. Um, Getting a lot of stuff away to different people that might be interested in that, and just getting ready for the holidays. We don't do a whole bunch of stuff for the holidays. Um, I do a little bit of decorations, but nothing big. But today is going to be different. I'm going to do a little tiny unboxing of something I actually ordered like maybe 6 months ago, maybe 8 months ago. I don't remember exactly. I know it was at least 4 months ago. Anyway, I ordered it from the Craftsman SteadyCrafting, and he has his own channel. I'm sure you've heard of him. If not, I've put his link below. And it was something that he made. And so he put them on his website, and he only made a certain amount at the time. So then I ordered one and kind of forgot about it. Like, I received it, I was excited. I never opened it, and it went into a drawer. So now that he has created the second version of the first, I want to do an unboxing video of what I did order. So if you want to order it, it's kind of small. It's funny. It's not like all that, but it's really neat. That somebody actually made this. Let's begin. Okay, so here's the box. So apparently I got it in June, so that's not that far away. Actually, yes it is. It's 6 months away. Oh, that's funny. Alright, so I covered my address, of course. And I didn't bring my knife with me. I have scissors, but I'm just gonna use this. So, alright. Okay, let's see. This is embarrassing. I'm using a rotary cutter to open a box. Alright. Oh, man. Oh, I hope my dog does not bark. Oh my goodness, please don't bark. Oh, the sticker. Cool. There we go. I don't know where to put that yet. I forgot I ordered that. Ooh, look at that. Hold on, I messed up my... Oh, that's really neat. I think that's too spicy for me. And then we got another sticker. All right. Put that over here. Oh, there we go. So this is what I ordered. It's called a pocket knot. And then, let's see. All right, so he designed all of this, the graphics, he designed the placard, he designed the file that made this, and then, he used a machine to make this. I forgot the way he made it. Oh, anyway, I'm not good at these videos, so we're gonna open this up. All right. Kind of don't want to rip it off, but I mean, things are meant for using, right? I'm even going to keep that. I think that's neat. All right. So it comes with 4, actually it's 4 discs, but each disc has 2 faces. So you get 8 faces. And let's see. So I guess he made it in February. All right. That's so cool. And here he is, the pocket knot. Let's see. So you just take it out gently, and then you put it back in. Just like that. All right, so let's see what other, let's see, I don't want to lose all this stuff. I'm going to have to find a container to put this in. All right, so we got this one here, and that one there. All right. Okay. So there's different faces, and I think you can actually order more faces. So his eyes are that way, and then open, or he could be sad. Oops. Ah! This is cool. I know this might not be your cup of tea, but I like tea. This is my favorite one. Oh, his face is kind of crooked, but I don't care. See, right? Yeah, so this is called the pocket knot. And he made this. Steady Craftsman made this. So you can order these. I'll find the link for you. He makes all kinds of things. I really like watching his videos. So anyway, so I just wanted to show you what I got. And one day if I'm feeling blue, I can, you know, take this out and oh my goodness. I'm having fun. Let's see. What should I do? Okay, let's put this guy. Let's put this one in there. Man, why am I getting crooked? Maybe he's looking to the right. Yeah. I wouldn't put this in my pocket. I'd lose it. You can also order these stickers. They're kind of neat. Holographic stickers. I don't know where to put it. I don't know if I should put it on a sewing machine. Tell me in the comments where I should put this. I either could put it in the wood shop or the sewing room. What do you think? So that was kind of a weird video. I like doing unboxing videos. I haven't done one in a while. I'm not good at doing these videos on YouTube, but I try. But thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Make something this week. I know everybody's getting ready for Christmas, so just have a great week. Thank you for watching.